Okay, nta kibazo sawa boss.
You're supposed to be a dinner man, serving dinner to the students. Because you cannot do basic 1 plus 1. Your hair breathing heavy like a dog. Think about your life. You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it. You can never. You know you cannot make it. You need to be cutting grass, making this place fresh for the actual people and the you are here. What have you done? Useless. Me with my pregnancy, I'm better than you.
Iki gituma utiga nguzana umwanya wanjye
si papa reka abagenda kwishyura nako natariye natangwe izo ntungamubiri nataziye umva koko nabaho nakiga cyane nasubira najya imbere wapi nasubira hasi rero papa ko riyo bwabaga bwari twashize nashize
genda urebe muri
Oh shit!
Okay, nta kibazo sawa boss.
Ko yasize ahinze iki? Iyo adahinga wari kurya nyoko yasize ahinze ibijumba. arangije anana umwana wowe none ndakubwira ngo usubire mu mujyi imibereho yo mu ntara uyibagirwe yewe ubwo biriya bishyimbo bidashiriye
turashize none
umuntu asigaye ahuwa mu mbavu
God have mercy upon us.
rimwe kabiri gatatu aca
wa mwana we
ubuzima bwo mu cyaro waba bumeze gute
ubuzima bwo mu cyaro ni hatari
urimo satani ntabwo ari gusa
uko shira akabazo
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre.